Beowulf is an Old English epic about a heroic warrior who fights three great battles. First, Beowulf defeats Grendel, a monster terrorizing King Hrothgar's mead hall. Next, he kills Grendel's vengeful mother in her underwater lair. Years later, as king of the Geats, Beowulf slays a dragon but he's mortally wounded in the fight. He dies a hero, honored for his bravery and self-sacrifice. The poem highlights themes of heroism, loyalty, and the battle between good and evil. Beowulf is a moral and philosophical epic that explores heroism, loyalty, and conflict between good and evil. It follows Beowulf, a heroic warrior, as he faces powerful enemies like Grendel and a dragon, emphasizing the importance of courage, selflessness, and the impact of the actions on character. Beowulf is an important work of literature. Beowulf is an epic story that has a theme of bravery, loyalty, and the struggle between good and evil. Beowulf, a strong warrior from Geatland, shows up to take down a monster called Grendel. Beowulf defeats Grendel, proving his bravery and determination. His battle with Grendel shows that he is fearless and willing to face any challenges. Beowulf overcomes the monster through his strength, reminding us that we should have confidence in ourselves and our abilities. The epic also highlights the importance of loyalty and friendship, as Wiglaf is the only one who stands by Beowulf during his last final battle. This shows that the true friends will support you even in the hardest times. This kind of literature isn't just about slaying monsters. It's about the values he represents like loyalty, courage, friendship, and leadership. It teaches us that life isn't just about being strong, it's about being wise.